So far, we were usually starting at the book object, but to fully qualify a range, there is one level more, which is the app object. If we do excelwings.apps.keys, we get the PIDs, the process IDs for all running Excel instances. In that case, we just have this one process ID. Now we can use that PID to actually fully qualify a range object all the way up to the application instance here. And we will see in a second why this is actually useful, or when we actually do need to go up to the app level to specify an Excel object. But before we get there, I would actually like to point out that you can use both the round brackets and also the square brackets to qualify books. I would, whenever possible, use square brackets. This gives you Python's indexing, which is zero-based, but then maybe sometimes it's easier if you have, for example, some VBA code you work in parallel with, then it might be easier to use the round brackets, which allow you to use Excel's one-based indexing. For names, as you can see down here, let's just execute this to see that you end up actually getting the same object as above. And below, as you can see, it doesn't really matter for names. Same effect whether it's square or round brackets. So now we want to work with multiple apps, and to do that we actually use the one that we have open currently, the existing one, the current one, and then we're instantiating a new application. An app in Excel Wings means an Excel instance here on Excel terminology. To make sure that we really have two Excel instances running, we can right-click here on the taskbar and then go into the Task Manager. And as you can see, the Microsoft Excel here appears in two separate apps here on the list. So we successfully created two apps or two Excel instances. So now what we can do with these two apps is actually we can open the same book in different applications. And as you can see, we do have here the first instance, and then we have the second instance. And as you are probably used to that, if you have done it before, one of the instances is read only. Now, if we would do the following here and just use the book here, the book class, to instantiate my workbook, then it will throw an error because it doesn't know which application I actually mean. So in that scenario, I do have to really fully qualify my books here by starting at the app that I want. And you can see that you get back the book objects, and then having the book object, you can always get back to the app object with the according process ID.